So many of you all have asked me to share my morning skincare routine, and that's exactly what we're going to do today. In today's video, I'm going to share my morning skincare routine along with some really good deals that are going on right now that I'm really excited to share with you, along with something that is just so cool that I'm excited to share with you as well. So we'll share that part at the end of the video. So let's get into my morning routine. So what I do in my morning routine is, first thing I do is I cleanse my skin. You want to make sure that you get all that skincare off from the night before. Any sweat, we all sweat when we're sleeping at night. So you want to make sure that you're getting all of that cleaned off your skin. The next thing I do is I go in with my CurrentBody LED face mask, neck and décolleté. This is such a good way to build collagen into your skin. It's scientifically proven to work. It works. You must be consistent with it. So this is something that I do every single day. You can do this at nighttime too if you want to, but I just prefer to do this as my morning, part of my morning routine. Really comfortable to wear. What I love about these masks is, number one, the updated version of the mask, you can get your whole face, basically your chin. You put the neck and décolleté in, so then you're getting your neck and your décolleté as well. So I love it. And right now, there's a 20% off sale going on with CurrentBody, and there's more goodies. I have more to share with you. So let me tell you about some of the deals that are going on right now. The mask that you see me wear in this video is the Red Light Therapy Mask Series 2. So that is on sale for 20% off, so you're going to save $93.80 on that. And then the other LED mask, which is the original one, which I still highly recommend, is their Series 1, and you're going to save 20% off, so you're going to save $76. And then you can do a bundle if you want, so you can stack it. So you can get the whole the face mask, the neck and décolleté. You'll save $226.40 by purchasing both of those together. So many really good deals going on. All of their devices are on sale, so I'm going to leave the details below so you can check it out. So once I'm done doing my LED mask therapy, then I go in and I use my ZIIP. I use my ZIIP 5 times a week. And what I love about the ZIIP is, again, it's going to help to build collagen in your skin, because it not only has microcurrent, which microcurrent is going to help to tone your muscles, but it's also going to help to build collagen. Another thing I love about the ZIIP is that it also helps to bring a glow to my skin. There's treatments for that. There's treatments for breakouts. If you have breakouts, there's a treatment for that. If you have discoloration in your skin, there's a treatment for that. So really take a look when you have your ZIIP at all the different treatments there are. There's a summer one on there. I think there's a wedding one, which anybody can use that, okay? But there's different treatments that you can use. So it kind of gives you, kind of gives your skin a little zhuzh, if you will. But I love using it. It's great to travel with. Same with my masks, easy to travel with. There's deals going on with that too, and let me tell you about those. So when you purchase the ZIIP HALO, which also comes with the electric complex conductive gel, you're going to save 20% off of that. So you're going to be paying $3.19 for that. All of the gels are on sale. I love their gels, and I highly recommend you use them. They were made to be used with your ZIIP HALO. All of them are great skincare for you, and I just highly recommend. I just love all of them. So I've tried all of them, and I enjoy using all of them. I really do. You really can't go wrong with any of them, but they are all on sale right now. Savings on these, you're going to get 25% off. And this is a great time to stock up. So the crystal gel is on sale, and you'll save 25% on that, so you're going to be paying $51.25. The silver gel is on sale. Again, you're going to be paying $51.25. These are normally $79, by the way. And then the golden gel, retails for $129, so you're going to get, again, a savings of 25% off, so you'll be paying $96.75 for that. So it's a great time to stock up. And then this is something that I'm really excited to share with you. So this is called the Superior Set. It's limited edition, and it has a retail of $570. You're going to save $159.60 with it, because you're going to save 20% off with the code, and then you're also going to 10% off on site. So let me show you this amazing set. I mean, you're going to get everything you need. Inside of this set, you are going to get you're going to get your ZIIP HALO #1. And by the way, you're gonna see me unbox this, but the ZIIP HALO is going to come in a box when you get this, just so you know. Everything's wrapped up. You're going to get that in the box. So you're going to get the ZIIP HALO, and then with that ZIIP HALO, which is really cool, you get this nice little case with it, with the little zip, so you can store it in there. You have your little cord in there too as well. And then you're also going to get the ZIIP Complex, Electric Complex Conductive Gel, and then you get a full size of either the silver gel, or you're going to get the crystal gel. And then you're going to get this cute little headband, which I love. I think that is so cute. And then you're going to get this little spatula applicator, so you can apply it with that and just apply it all over your face using that. And then you get this really, really nice travel case. And as you can see, there's a lot of room in there. There's little pockets on the side. There's a zipper in the center part. It's really, really nice. It's such a nice set. Great for traveling, great for keeping all your skincare in there. I mean, it's just such a nice set. So after I use my ZIIP, something that's really, really, really important to do is to make sure that you're cleansing all of that off. So it's great skincare as far as the gels, they're great, but you just want to get all of that off. You don't want to clog your pores up. So what I do is I use my micellar water, and I take it off, and I do it twice because I want to make sure I cleanse my skin really, really good. Then once I'm done doing that, then I'm going to go in and I use actually my neck cream, because I have to put that on first. So I go in with my neck cream. Now, if I were using an acid that day, then I would go in and use my acid first, and then I would go in with my neck cream, because otherwise I'd be wiping it all off. And usually I use my skincare from my face, and I go down to my neck and my décolleté. So then after I do that, I will go in and I will use my vitamin C serum and apply that. After that, I will go in and use my eye creams. I use 2 different eye creams. So I use one under my eyes, and there's one that I specifically do for my lids, because I can tend to get dry lids. You don't have to do that. You can use, you don't have to do that, but that's just what I do. And then after I do that, if there's any other serums that I want to use, I will apply those. On this day, I did not, and I just went in with my moisturizer, and then I will go and mist it down with a hydrating spray. I let that dry a little bit, and then I will go in and put my sunscreen on, and that's it. That's what I do pretty much. Like I said, I can kind of change it here and there with using different products or different serums or things like that, but that's pretty much what I do as far as my morning routine. Something that's really important for me to use every day is my red light therapy masks from CurrentBody. And then, like I said, 5 days a week I use my ZIIP, which is really, really important for me. So consistency is key, whether it comes to using your LED, your ZIIP, and your skincare. You have to be consistent doing all this, and you will see an improvement in your skin. And the longer you do this, the more improvement that you're going to see. So I'm going to leave all the details below for you so you can check it out. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you all in my next one. Bye.